Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen the button widget in Tkinter, and in today's session, let's move ahead with the entry widget methods. So in today's session, let's see some of the important methods available in the entry widget in Tkinter. So we had seen the entry widget in our previous sessions, and an entry widget is usually used to accept a value from the user, which is a single line value. So it will be displayed as a text box, and user can enter a single line of text or any value, and it will be accepted with the help of the entry widget. So in the earlier session, we had seen the various options which are available in the entry widget. So there were many options available in the entry widget, and we have covered it in our previous session. In today's session, let's look at some of the important methods. So what are the methods available under the entry widget? So let's look into it in today's session. The first one is the delete method. Here we have to specify the first index value from where the text needs to be deleted from the entry widget. And the second parameter is last. So the last index value till which the text needs to be deleted or any value needs to be deleted. So we have to specify first and last. This method is used to delete the specified characters inside the entry widget. So whatever first index value and last index value we specify, those many characters will be deleted from the entry widget. The second is the get. Now suppose user enters the text in the entry widget, and we have to retrieve the value which the user has entered. So in order to retrieve the text written inside the entry widget, we go in for the get method. So it fetches the details entered by the user, and these details can be later added into the database, or some calculation can be performed based on those values. So to get the values, we use the get method. And now insert. Third one is the insert method. So we have to specify the index value and the text which needs to be inserted. So this method is used to insert the specified string before the character placed at the specified index. So whatever index we are specifying, before that this particular string which is present in S will get inserted. So these are the three, there are many more methods, but these are the three most important methods under the entry widget in Tkinter. So it's the delete method, the get method, and the insert method. Now with the help of one code example, let's see how the methods work in entry widget. So friends, let's see how the output looks. So I want this particular output. So the main uh, title should be family details, and the text over here is hello family, first name, second name, surname, and by default I want surname as Sharma. The family under consideration is Sharma family, so I'm giving it surname as Sharma, but I can change it as well. I can delete it and change it as well, but by default it will come as Sharma. I'll enter once again. Okay, so here the Tkinter screen title is family details. Then I'm having a label which specifies hello family. Then I'm having first name, second name, and surname. So all these are labels. There are four labels, and this is the entry box, entry widget. So first name I'll enter it as Likit. Likit. Second name as Anand, and surname as Sharma. And now if I, these are the buttons, show and quit are the two buttons. We had seen about the button widget in the previous session. So show and quit are the two buttons. These are the labels, and the text boxes are the entry widget, and these are the button widget. So now if I press on the show button, it will display hello Likit Anand Sharma. So it will concatenate first name, second name and surname and append and prefix it with hello. So it should be hello Likit Anand Sharma is the message which gets displayed on the screen. And as soon as it gets displayed, it deletes whatever details we have entered on the first name entry box and second name entry box. So we can enter fresh details over here. So if I say Samarth Niroop Sharma. So now if I press show, it will say hello Samarth Niroop Sharma. So based on, so it will get refreshed every time it displays. So this we achieve it with the help of entry methods. So this is how it should work. So now let's see how it works. So let me take my Tkinter new screen. So win equal to tk, window equal to tk, and then I'll write my code. Firstly, let me take the geometry of the window. So let me say win.geometry. It is 200 pixels by 200 pixels. Length is 200 and height is 200. And win.title, the window title, I want it to be family details. Let me see. It should be family details. So window title is family details. Now let us go on to the screen and see what all details we want. We want a label which should display hello family. So for this I want a label widget. So let me call it as label1 equal to label the function. Place it in the main window and then let me say my text which should be displayed on the label widget is equal to it should be hello family. So it should be hello family and I want a font which is equal to Arial and then 30. Arial, comma 30. The font type is Arial and font size is 30. And now I have to pack this particular label on the screen. So label 1 dot place. I'm using the place geometry manager and I'm giving a relative x position equal to 0.4. Relative x is a floating value which spans from 0 to 1, 0.0 to 1.0. So I'm giving 0.4. So this particular label widget, that is hello family, will be placed at 40% from the beginning. The x position is 40%. So relative x is 0.4 and my y coordinate is equal to 10. So friends, this is the 40%. So after giving a gap of 40%, hello family will be displayed. So the relative position is equal to 0.4 and y coordinate is 10. So this particular length is equal to 10 and then it will place hello family. So relative x is 0.4 and y is 10. Now I want my second label which is equal to first name. It should display the text first name. So let me create another label called label2 equal to label. Place it in the main window. Text equal to first name. First name. And I don't want to change this font. It should be the normal font. Now I have to place this particular label. So let me say label2 dot place, and relative x is again 0.4, comma y is equal to 60. So label to first name, it's at the same relative position, that is it should be 40% of from the beginning. So it is 40% from the beginning, and this length it has increased. For hello family it was 10, but for first name it has increased, and I'm placing it at 60. Y coordinate is equal to 60. So first name will be displayed over here. Now I have to go to the second name. For this, let me take label 3. So let me take label 3 over here, label win, and the text for this is second name, and relative x is 0.4 again, and y is equal to 90. So it is coming below first name. So I've given a length of another y equal to 30 pixel, 30, the y coordinate is 30. So it comes beneath this, beneath the first name. Now let's have another, sorry. So now let's have another label called label 4. So now let's have another label called label 4, which is having a value, text value equal to surname. And it is at a y position. For this, y coordinate is equal to 120. So these are the labels. The first one is hello family, second is first name, third is second name, and the fourth one is surname. So these are the various labels which we are adding on our GUI application. Now let's see the entry widget. So for this first name, I want an entry widget. So first name was at 0.4 relative x value. Now for this entry widget, we have to extend it a bit more. So let me say it as 0.5. So now entry 1 is equal to entry, place it in the main window. There is no text for this. Now I have to place this entry widget. So I'm using entry dot place relative x is equal to 0.5, comma y is equal to 60. So the y position should be matching with this because it is at the same length. See, first name is at 60 and the entry widget also should be at 60 position. The x value varies. This is at 0.4 relative x, this is at 0.5 relative y. But y coordinate remains the same, it is 60, even this is 60. And now let me take another entry widget for the second name. And for surname. So let me take another entry widget called entry 2. Entry 2. This should be entry 1. Dot place is it is at relative x position is 0.5 and y is equal to 90. And for the surname, I want another entry box which is entry 3. Place it at relative x is 0.5 and this is at 120. And one more thing what we have to do is for surname, I want it by default it should be Sharma, but we can change it. So but it has to display Sharma. So for this I'm using one of the most important entry method, which is the insert method. So entry 3 dot insert. Then I'm specifying from the beginning, so it should be at index 0, and the text which it should insert is Sharma. The string which it should insert in the entry box is Sharma. So this is the insert entry method. So it specifies the index where it should insert and the text what it should be inserted into the entry box. So we have completed the labels and the entry box. Now we have to go in for the button widget, that is show button and quit button. So I require two buttons. So button 1 is equal to button, place it in the main window. Text should be equal to show. Command for this is equal to show underscore entries. Command for this is show. This is a function which I have to write. And now I have to place the button widget. So button 1 dot place. I am placing it at a relative x equal to 0.55. Sorry, 0.5. So let me place it at relative x is equal to 0.5, comma y is equal to 150, because it is coming beneath. This is at 120, so this is at 150. Relative x is 0.5, this particular position itself. So the button gets placed there. Now I have to take one more button called button 2 is equal to button, place it in the main window, comma text equal to quit, command equal to win.destroy. So when we click on the quit button, the screen gets destroyed. And now I have to place this button 2. So button 2 dot place, it's at relative x is equal to 0.55 and y is equal to 150. So my button widget gets placed at relative x position for this is 0.55 and this position is 150. Y coordinate is 150. Now friends, so these details are there. Now I have to write the functionality for displaying this particular message on the screen. So if I give Ravi Kumar Sharma and if I say show, it should say, so let me quit it. It's not working. Let me run it once again. So let me enter it as Ravi Kumar Sharma and then let me click it. So it should say hello Ravi Kumar Sharma. So this functionality we should include upon the click of the button. So when I click on the show button, the function should get called. It should concatenate first name, second name, surname, and then it should display hello Ravi Kumar Sharma. That is first name, second name, and the surname. So how to go about this? For this, I have to write a function. So the function should be before the win equal to tk. We have to write the function at the beginning. So we have to say def and the command for button 1 is show entries. So this particular show entries method function gets called when we click the button. So I have to say show underscore entries. So this is the function. Then I have to give a label, say label 5 because we have taken till 4. So let me take label 5, label, place it in the main window, text equal to Now I have to concatenate all the text. Before that, let me give a foreground color equal to red. So I want the message to be displayed in red color. And then text is equal to, firstly it should say hello, hello, give a space, then I have to say plus first name. How do I get the name, the details of the name present in the entry widget? For this, we have to go in for the second entry method, which is the get method. So I have to say entry 1, because entry 1 is the entry widget for the first name, entry 1 dot get. So it will retrieve whatever we are given in the first name entry box. Then I have to say plus, then a space, then I have to concatenate with another text, that is the second name, which is in the entry 2 text box. So entry 2 dot get. Get is the method in the entry widget. So it gets the details present in the entry 2 text box. Then I have to say plus, plus, again space, plus, and then I have to say entry 3 dot get. So friends, my label text will be having hello space entry 1 dot get plus space entry 2 dot get space entry 3 dot get. So it should specify hello. If entry 1 is Ravi, it should say hello Ravi. Entry 2 Kumar, hello Ravi Kumar, and then Sharma, because we have given the default value as Sharma for entry 3. And after giving the details of the text, I have to place the label. So I'll say label 5 dot place. It should be placed at relative x position is equal to 0.55. So I'll say rel x is equal to 0.55, comma y equal to 200. So the text gets displayed in this particular position. Now I have to refresh the details whatever has been entered so that I can enter the second family member details. For this I have to say entry 1 dot delete from the beginning. So I have to say index is 0, comma end. So from the beginning till end, whatever details are there in entry 1, it should get deleted. Similarly, entry 2 dot delete 0, that is from the beginning and then till the end. So our code looks fine with all the details. We have to execute and see it now. So it is having title, label 1 which says hello family, label 2 first name, label 3 second name, fourth label surname, then entry widget for first name, entry widget for second name, and entry widget for surname. Then I'm having two buttons, show, and when I click on the show button, it goes to the show entries. So it will go to this particular function and it will concatenate all the details with hello and then place it on the label. This particular message appears in red because I given foreground equal to red. So, and it will refresh the details, that is delete the details which is entered by the user. So we are using three different methods over here. The first one is insert, wherein from at the 0th index value, I'm inserting the word Sharma. So this is the first method. And the second is the get method, wherein we are getting the details entered by the user in the entry box. And the third one is we are deleting the details entered by the user. So we have used all the three methods, that is delete, get, and insert. So now let me close this particular thing. This was from the previous code. Now let me execute it fresh. Name entry 2 is not defined. Okay, spelling is wrong over here. Let me execute it. So I got the details. So hello family, hello details. First name, I'll say Likit. Second name is Anand. Third name is Sharma. By default, I'm getting Sharma. Now, if I click on show, it will say, oh, I'm not given the font for this. So let me make the font equal to Arial, comma 20. Let me make it as 20. So now it is coming very small. So now let me execute it once again. Valid syntax. Okay, I have to give it in quotes. So now let me run it. So I got the screen. So first name, let me say as Likit. Second name is Anand. Third is Sharma. Now if I click on the show button, it says hello Likit Anand Sharma, and the details get deleted because we have used delete functionality. That is entry 1 dot delete. So it will delete entry 1. Entry 2 dot delete. It will delete entry 2 as well. Now I can enter the fresh details. Rahul Kumar Sharma. So now if I click on show, it will say hello Rahul Kumar Sharma. And now if I click on the quit button, this particular screen gets destroyed. So when I say quit, it comes out of the main screen, Tkinter screen. So the functionality for that is just a simple thing. It is win.destroy. Destroy the win Tkinter screen. So hope so friends, it was clear for you. The three methods in the entry widget, which are delete, get, insert. There are many more, but these are the three most important methods in the entry widget. So if you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.